Welcome back to Viper Trades, and I'm back with another Bitcoin update. So, for those of you that haven't seen already, Bitcoin is up 2% today, and it's back into this resistance at 84, 85K that we have been mentioning for the past few weeks. And for those who don't know as well, in around an hour and a bit, we are gonna have FOMC. So, the Fed meeting today, Dow gains ahead of FOMC interest rate decision, and it also mentions investors also wait comments from Fed Chair Jerome Powell. So this is the main thing that people are waiting for to see how the market reacts. And it goes on to say stocks are back on the rise ahead of Federal Reserve's interest rate decision. The Fed is expected to keep interest rates on hold Wednesday and pencil in 1 or 2 cuts for this year. Chairman Jerome Powell's comment may give clues about the Fed's approach to tariffs, which pose a challenge by threatening to slow growth and quicken inflation at the same time. And it goes on to mention, in recent trading, US stocks indexes advanced with the Nasdaq Composite leading the way. On Tuesday, stocks resumed their recent decline, yanked lower by a slide in Nvidia and other big tech companies, and 10-year Treasury yields ticked higher after settling Tuesday at 4.28%, and the US dollar strengthened against a basket of currencies. So that's essentially the news. And we're just waiting for this meeting to see what the outcome is and how the market reacts to it. However, guys, as you can see, the market has been bouncing really nicely over the past day. EOS up very nicely, 15%. Hype as well is up. Uni is up as well. ARB is up with ETH, ENA, Pepe, Hex, and Solana's up around 6%. And as you can see, Ethereum up about 8% as well. So a very nice bounce across the board for a lot of these coins. Of course, we are not out the woods just yet. However, it is very nice to see some green for a change. And if you go back to Bitcoin, guys, if I show you this chart right here, you will see exactly what we are faced with at the moment. So at the moment, as you can see, we are faced with this resistance here at 84, 85K. Of course, should we go above 85K, we can target 88, 89K first. Then, of course, we would like to see 91, 92K. So that is essentially what I'm looking for if we do exceed 85K. However, below, we will likely see 76, 77K. And also, guys, we've got a monthly open here at around 84.5K. So as you can see, we've got 3 resistances. We've got a monthly open. We've got this EMA line here. And we've also just got this general support resistance flip, which is now resistance. So ideally, what we want to see for upside is a big break above here, retest this, and then we can target the yearly open at 93K. However, if we don't exceed this level here at 89K, then we'll just continue downwards all the way down to 76K. So that's something to look out for. If we pump really quickly and we retrace really quickly and start accepting below 84K, we are likely to see 76, 77K. However, we can also see this scenario should we come down here and hold this level here at around 84, 85K. And of course, 100K will come should we flip this yearly open. So at the moment, we just want to take it level by level again. We are not out the woods just yet until we flip this yearly open. So what we're currently looking at is this 85K resistance here. Above that, we should see 88, 89K. Flip that, we should see 93K. However, if you don't flip 88, 89K, then you want to start looking for shorts all the way down to 76, 77K. And as I mentioned many times, guys, we have some other indicators which show us why I think Bitcoin should be going higher into the end of the year. So we've got this golden ratio multiplier here, and as you can see, the 2 upper bull high is around 130K, with the 1.6 upper bull high at around 104K. And as I mentioned many times, guys, 140K is my next target. So this is very good confluence as to where I think Bitcoin can go next. And as you can see as well, guys, we've got the 350 daily MA at 67K. So if you've been watching my videos, you would know this is my next key level of support should we get there. So this 70k level is something I've been watching for a really long time, and I do believe should we lose this level here, we should come down into it, and that should essentially be the bottom. But should we range or should we just go up from there? We will just have to see. And one other thing that's feasible, guys, is for us to form a range between 85 and 89k. So I'm not going to rule this out either should we break above 85k. So that's another possibility as well. But if you are in my Discord, or if you do follow me on X, you would get all these updates in real time and you won't miss a single step. And also be sure to follow Skip as well. I retweet all the stuff so you can't miss him. His analysis has been 10-10 in the past few days. And as I always mention, guys, this price cycle indicator, so you can see here, we've got the 350 daily MA times 2, and it's now gone up to 150k. A few days ago, it was 145k. So if you did watch my recent videos, this level is going up and up and up. And as I mentioned to you guys many times, when we do reclaim the 111 daily MA, price tends to creep into that 350 daily MA, and eventually it blasts through, as you've seen on many occasions here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 occasions, and of course we got this on the 6th occasion. Didn't really blast through, however 7th time the charm, I guess. So let's see if it does blast through this time in the next few months, and should it do it, we should see levels above 150k for Bitcoin for sure. So if you have to wait on reserve to see what price is doing, just do that. Just wait it out, see what price wants to do, let price cool off before starting bigger positions. However, I do remain optimistic for Bitcoin for the longer term. As for the short term, we're not too sure yet. Let's see what today brings. If we can flip above that 85k level and then flip above that 93k level, that would be great, and that should confirm the bottom is in. However, if we do go to 76k as well, I am not going to be mad. I will be really pleased actually, and we should come into the 70k level so we can get cheaper Bitcoin for the year to come. So if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for the latest buying opportunities and market updates, and I'll catch you all in the next video.